Sprogz TV.
Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Sprogz Network, where today we're creating fun and educational snake videos for kids, children and toddlers. Today we are joined by Steve, who will help you to learn all about snakes.
Hi Emma. Yes, I'm Steve and I'm here to help you kids learn all about snakes in this video. We're going to have lots of fun learning today, with lots of facts about snakes. So let's get started.
It's thought that there are around 3,000 different species of snake across the world.
Snakes are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica.
Snakes are reptiles. In this animal class are also included the crocodiles, lizards, and turtles.
The earliest known fossils are from the Jurassic period. This was between 143 and 167 million years ago.
Another amazing fact is that snakes don't have eyelids. Snakes have internal ears but not external ones. And snakes smell with their tongue. Wow, look at this guy, isn't he amazing?
Snakes also don't have legs. Not having arms and legs doesn't stop snakes from moving. They have developed several different ways of moving to deal with particular environments. Each type of snake movement is discrete and distinct from the others.
Snakes are carnivores, which means they are meat eaters. Snakes can't chew food so have to swallow it whole.
Snakes have flexible jaws which allow them to eat prey bigger than their head. Snakes have a unique anatomy which allows them to swallow and digest large prey. Some snake species only need to feed a couple times a year. Snakes eat all kinds of food, from mice and termites to eggs and tiny sea creatures. There are over 3,400 species of snakes living in habitats ranging from deserts to oceans, so not all snakes eat the same things. But they do all eat the same way, swallowing their food whole. Their teeth aren't the right kind for chewing. Luckily, they can take their time with it because they don't have to eat as often as humans do. Some snakes only feed 5 or 10 times a year.
Their long, slender body has some special features. They have overlapping scales which protect them, and help them move and climb trees. The scales have colors which may be camouflage or warning colors. Snake skin is smooth and dry. Wow, you can see here how amazing their camouflage hides them against the rocks. They are the same color.
Snakes do have bones. They are vertebrates, which means they have a spinal column just like humans do. Snakes can have hundreds of bones, but their skeletons don't look much like ours.
They don't have legs or arms, just a skull, special backbones and ribs, and tailbones. Because of the way their bones fit together, snakes are much more flexible than many other animals.
Snakes shed their skin a number of times a year in a process that usually lasts a few days. This is how they grow in size.
Most snakes lay eggs, but some give birth to a live young. Female rattlesnakes carry egg sacs inside their bodies while the babies develop. After around 3 months, the snakes push out the egg sacs, and the babies emerge from the eggs almost immediately, fully independent. This way of reproducing, which scientists call ovoviviparous, is different from the way mammals give birth. Baby snakes develop within their individual sacs, rather than being attached directly to their mothers through an umbilical cord.
Some sea snakes can breathe partially through their skin, allowing for longer dives underwater.
Snakes move forward in water by moving their bodies in a wave-like motion. The waves become larger as they move down the snake's body, and the wave travels backwards faster than the snake moves forwards. There are 69 species of sea snakes. Water snakes are characterized by stout bodies with strongly keeled scales and triangular heads. They are primarily distributed in the northern hemisphere.
Some species of snake, such as this cobra, use venom to hunt and kill their prey.
Snakes can range in sizes from the smallest, 4 inches, to the largest, almost 23 feet. Most commonly, snakes live in the jungle and in rainforests. You can also find snakes in the grasslands, lowlands, and in both saltwater and freshwater.
Snakes hibernate during the colder months of the year, and will start hibernating between September and December, and lasting until March or April.
Snakes can go without eating for 6 months, and some species can go without eating for up to 2 years. Snakes also can sleep for over 16 hours a day, and if a snake has just eaten it will become dormant and can sleep for much longer.
Snakes go into warm places in the winter where they hibernate. These warm places include dens, tree stumps, and caves. If there aren't enough hibernation spaces, snakes will often share dens with other snakes so that they can conserve body heat.
Snakes cannot see in the same way that most animals do. They're unable to see colors and most species have blurry vision. Instead, most snakes rely on other senses to navigate and hunt. Some species of snake, such as cobras and black mambas, use venom to hunt and kill their prey. Most snakes are non-venomous. Those that have venom use it mainly to kill and subdue prey rather than for self-defense. And remember, if you ever see a snake in the wild, check with an adult to see what kind of snake it is. Some people keep snakes as pets, and you can see them in zoos, but they are wild animals and can be dangerous. So stay safe, guys.
That's right, Emma. I'm actually now heading back off to the zoo, so it's time for me to say goodbye. But thanks for having me on the Sprogz network today to help all you children and toddlers learn about snakes with this video.
Thanks, Steve. And that's just about it from me for now also. We do hope that you have enjoyed this video about snakes for children and toddlers today, to help you learn all about snakes. And be sure to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel below for more great, educational and free content for kids, from myself and the whole team at the Sprogz network. And we'll see you in the next video.